So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install .NET framework which is from Microsoft. So firstly let's move in our browser and search for .NET download, this one. You will see the first link from Microsoft, that is download.net. Now we will simply go with the latest release, that is .NET 9.0. Just simply click on download button. Now that will start downloading your .NET installer basically. Just save this. Now just go in your downloads and we can see that our setup file is almost downloaded. Okay, we can just simply click on this. Okay, now you just have to click on install. This will ask for installation. Just click yes. Now this will take some time depending upon your system. So it is almost installed. After this, we will also see that how can you verify the installation of .NET. Yeah, it is almost done. Now we will move in our terminal after its installation and verify the installation using several commands. We can just minimize our browser. So yeah, now you can see that our installation is done. We will just simply close this and now we can open our command prompt. And now we can run some basic commands like .NET space hyphen hyphen version. You can see that 9.0.306. That means our .NET is successfully installed with this particular version. Now you can also check like what are the SDKs contained in this particular .NET framework. .NET space double hyphen list and then again single hyphen SDKs. You can see all the SDKs here. Okay, we can also type like where .NET. Like we can also check that where .NET is installed. So you can see that .NET.exe is here. So that's it for today's video, guys. Now let's see you next time.